Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear cadets, today we will discuss another topic that is called lenses. First of all, we will define. Later on, we will discuss its types and some terms related to lenses. So let's start from the definition. A piece of transparent material like glass with one or both surface curved. A piece of transparent material like glass with one or both surfaces curved, that is called lens. Now let's discuss its main types. Dear cadet, it has two main types. One is called convex lens and the second one is called concave lens. Now let's discuss convex lens. A convex lens can be defined as a lens which is thick at the middle and thinner at the edges is called convex lens. A lens which is thick at the middle and thinner at the edges is called convex lens. It is sometimes called converging lens. Dear cadet, as you can clearly see, the middle portion of this lens is thick and the edges are thin. So that kind of lens is called convex lens. And why it is called converging? Because after refraction, these parallel light rays after refraction meet at this single point, converge this single point. That's why this lens is called converging lens. Now let's define concave lens. Concave lens can be defined as a lens which is thin at the middle and thicker at the edges. A lens which is thin at the middle and thicker at the edges, that is called concave lens. It is sometimes called diverging lens. Dear cadets, you can clearly see that the middle portion of this lens is thin and the edges are thicker. That's why this kind of lens is called concave lens. And why it is called diverging? Because all these parallel rays after reflection diverge, and if we trace these reflected rays backward, it will meet at single point. So this is why it is called diverging lens. Dear cadets, now let's talk about some terms related to lenses. We have a figure. In this figure we have two spheres. This one is a sphere, this was another sphere, and if these two spheres overlap each other, then this combined portion or shaded portion will be a lens. And as you can clearly see, the middle portion of this lens is thicker and the edges are thinner, so it will be a concave lens. Sorry, it will be a convex lens. The middle portion is thicker and the edges are thinner, that's why it is called convex lens. Now let's talk about some terms related to lenses. First of all, we will discuss center of curvature. We can define center of curvature as the center of the sphere of which any surface of the lens is a part is called center of curvature. It is denoted by C. From this figure, this is a sphere and this is also another sphere. These two spheres are overlapping each other. This curved surface belongs to this sphere, where this curved surface belongs to this sphere. So the curved surface, or actually the lens, is actually a part of a sphere, and sphere has some center. That center is called center of curvature. Once again, this curved surface is actually a part of the sphere, and sphere center is called center of curvature. It is denoted by C. Principal focus or focal point, denoted by capital F. The point where light rays meet after refraction through lens. These are some parallel rays of light which are passing through this convex lens. After refraction they meet at a single point. This point is called focal point or principal focus, and it is labeled as capital F. Optical center denoted by capital O. The mid or a central point of a lens is called optical center. This is a lens, and the middle portion or midpoint of the lens is called optical center, and it is denoted by capital O. Principal axis, a line passing through center of curvature, optical center, and focal point is called principal axis. This line is passing through center of curvature, optical center, once again passing through the center of curvature. This line is called principal axis, and here it is labeled as x, y. Focal length denoted by small f. The distance between optical center and principal focus is called focal length. The distance between optical center and the focal point, that distance is known as focal length, and it is labeled as small f. This is all about today's topic. Thank you. Jazakumullah.